In Catalonia, many small saving banks have been merging to create more stable financial institutions. The size of saving banks in Catalonia and in other countries has been defined as problematic in times of crisis by the chairman of the British Bankers Association, Angela Knight.
Well, I think that small banks, and particularly the small savings banks, which are usually mutuals, have generally had the hardest at time through the crisis. It's telling us that size can be problematic in difficult times. It's saying that if you are only concentrating in perhaps one very narrow area, however important it may be, then that doesn't necessarily give you the sort of ability to ride a difficult time as well, as it would if you've got a broader type of investment exposure.
In an interview with the Catalan news agency, Knight urged saving banks to rethink their exposure in favour of a broader strategy in which they are not solely reliant on client savings. Knight said that the reforms adopted in Spain are critical both for the country and Europe. She praised the reforms being followed by the Spanish banking system to regulate itself and said that, as in the UK, more mergers may be necessary. The economic crisis hit British banks hardest, and in the recovery process, larger banks are taking over many of the few remaining smaller banks.